In this video, you will learn how you can white label GPS Gateway software web panel. All those who do not know about white label, I would like to tell you all that GPS Gateway helps to provide you the GPS software which will carry your own brand name. With this, you can link the software to your domain and that web panel will link to your branding logo and your website. You need to have a domain hosting panel to white label the web. If you use GoDaddy, then first you have to log into your GoDaddy account. In this as an example, I am showing you a GoDaddy login. After login, you see such a page on screen. When you scroll down on this page, you will see Manage All written. You will have to click on it. Upon clicking on it, you will be redirected to My Domain page wherein it will be written gps4vehicle.com. You will have to click on this. You will need to scroll down on the page that will reopen and you will see that it is written Manage DNS. Click on it. As soon as you click on Manage DNS, you will see a page which has a lot of records. The GoDaddy account that I am using here has a URL of gps4vehicle.com which is written over here. Here on the screen there is an option for adding a new record. You will have to click on it. Upon clicking, you will have to fill the details as type of record, host and points to. For type, you need to select a record. Now in place of host, you will have to write the name you wish to give it. I am writing here GPS track, and for points to, you have to mention the IP address of our software so that the subdomain that you create is linked to the software through our IP. In the IP address section, you will have to mention 13.235.97.140. After filling the details, you will have to click on Save. Now we try to access the subdomain URL from browser. As you see, your subdomain has been linked to the software, but right now the digital tracking logo is coming here. Let us now work on our company logo and brand name. Here you have to log in your admin account with the login details that you got from the company. As soon as you click on basic details here, you will see this form. Here in company name, you have to write the name of the company. In place of the logo, you have to upload the logo in PNG format. Do check the logo file format before uploading the logo. Now you have to paste the URL in the column containing the URL. Here you have to take care that you only have to enter the URL and do not have to use HTTP, HTTPS or www, etc. As you see on the screen, I have written gpstrack.gps4vehicle.com. As you see, as you click on submit, your web panel is now white labeled. Now you can see here that this logo, name and URL has been completely changed. If you want to know more about the information we shared with you, write in the comment section. If you like our video and want us to bring for you more such videos, then like, share and subscribe to our channel GPS Gateway.